경찰은 한 트럭이 주유소에서 기름을 넣지 못하게 막고 있다는 신고를 받고 출동했는데요.
All right, ma'am. They want you to trespass from the property. They don't want you to leave. So load up the stuff.
Sir, I just told him I'm leaving. The person that's doing this, he's right here in this truck. He called y'all for no reason.
All right.
That's all I'm saying.
You're saying you're leaving, but I'm not saying you loading up the beer.
Sir, you're not gonna sit up here coming talking to me like that when I just told you Pepin is pulling up. The dude right here. So y'all gonna stop yelling at me like I just
If you don't shut up, I'll just put you in handcuffs.
No, you're gonna shut up when you yelling at me, bro.
I'm not yelling.
You are just yelled at me for no reason when I just said Pepin is pulled up.
So either you
Did
calm
I just yell
down.
at him, John?
Let's diffuse.
Did I just yell at him, John?
Okay, let's diffuse.
Come on, bro, but you gonna put me in handcuffs because I'm upset? Y'all didn't even ask me what the fuck happened.
Okay.
This dude just ran up in my face.
Yanni,
They
And
want
I'm
you
a
trespass.
homie.
It's private property.
So you can do what you want to do?
Yeah. It's
So
time
I
to
can
leave.
run up on anybody's face because I own property?
Ma'am, we're not going to get into
Okay.
that.
Man, whatever, bro. Y'all take this fucking
it up.
go, bro.
Load it up.
This is some bullshit.
we're gonna, Yanni, let's
Bro,
go back in the truck.
no, bro.
Yanni.
That's your last warning. Load it up and go.
Warning for what?
You're trespassing.
You're leaving.
You're trespassing.
Man, that's bullshit, bro.
Sit in the truck.
Y'all always take a cop side, bro. This man has ran on my face. You see how big that man is? But they're supposed to be here for protection. That's why I don't... John, need you hurry up, bro, so I can go.
Yanni, he's gonna take you back to the warehouse. I'm gonna take the truck back.
Man, fuck you. He's sitting up here in tights and shit. Are you gonna arrest him? No. He's sitting there smiling and shit. You don't know, bro. You just don't fucking know, bro. Don't forget I gotta clock out. I need a sergeant here.
Sergeant's right
I
there.
want a sergeant here. I want a different sergeant here. I'm not talking to neither one of y'all.
Then you didn't get in that truck.
I want a police report about
didn't
this.
get in that truck.
Because he's harassing me.
No, you're harassing everybody.
Can I have a police report?
We'll give you everything.
No, look how he's looking at this. No, let me go, bro. No, look at this, bro.
Put your hands behind your butt.
You watching this, right?
Put
You
your
watching
hands
this,
behind your
right?
back.
You see how
You're resisting. You're
How am I resisting when he has
Because
my
you
arms
won't put
behind
your
my
hands
back?
behind your back.
That's not her resisting.
You just made a bad day worse.
I didn't do shit, bro. Why are you pulling my arms behind my back, bro? My arms are behind my back.
You are resisting.
How am I resisting with
Thank
my
you.
arms behind my back? Can you call my mom?
Still resisting.
I'm not. I'm telling him to call my mom.
We'll take care of that. We'll come over and
Why are you being rough with me, bro? John, I need badge numbers. John, take pictures of this shit, bro. Take pictures of this, bro. That's bullshit. There's nothing in that pocket but paper. So you weren't supposed to pat me down just then. A female was supposed to do that. A female was supposed to pat me down.
are told to leave over and over again. All you do is run your mouth.
He just pulled my headphone out.
Yeah, get in the
He just
car.
pulled my headphone out, man.
All it is a trespass warning. You need to leave. Oh my goodness, that is so hard to deal with it.
Can I talk to her?
John, call my mom, John.
She's being too belligerent.
John, call my mom.
Can I
John.
please get at least the
John, call my
information
mom.
for her mom?
No, she hasn't done anything for me to
John,
be.
call
All right,
my mom,
so
John.
I'm done.
John,
Go
call
back
my
over there.
mom.
I don't like people standing behind me.
Yanni, what's your mom's phone number?
John, get my phone from him.
What is your mom's phone number?
Back up.
813-81. You're a jackass, bro. My phone ain't supposed to be in here.
I just love how you know how everything's supposed to
He
work.
just asked me, he said, do you want your phone or do you want me to give it to them? I said, give it to them. And you gonna have me sit in the audience?
Is there somebody?
Put my ears in there.
That's okay. You're not there.
Oh my God, I swear to God, I'm gonna sue the fuck out of y'all, bro. I swear to God, y'all better be ready for this shit. When I told you to give them my phone.
You don't tell me to do anything. Let's
Then
get
why
that point.
ask? Why did you ask me then? 'Cause
My
it's my
sergeant
rights.
asked you.
That's my rights.
Okay.
And you should have put it where I asked you to.
Okay.
But you want to arrest me so bad. That's what you wanted to do.
Okay.
Okay. You jackass. I hate you fucking cops, bro. I hate y'all. Patted me down. It's supposed to be a woman that patted me down.
Okay.
Okay. And you know that. That's why it's okay. Jackass.
Hello. All right, bye.
Oh, now a female's coming. Well, a female should have been there in the first place.
Okay.
Hey, I just got a search real quick.
You say you have to do what?
Search you?
He already did.
Okay, I'm
That's why
gonna
he's
search
trying to
you again.
call you now, Mama. 'Cause I just told him a woman's supposed to search me. He just searched me.
Okay, I'm gonna search you again. Okay, do you have anything on
So
you?
you're gonna search me again, and he just searched me. So y'all trying to make it look good. That's why he got me in the back of the middle of nowhere for you to search me.
It's on camera.
So I'm letting the camera know he just searched me, and now he just called a random woman. Well, I'm not gonna say random woman. A female cop to come search me.
Men are allowed
Can you
to
show
search
him what?
females.
Can you show them where we at?
Yeah, men are allowed to search females.
Since when?
Since always.
So why am I being searched again?
I'm gonna search you again. Okay, can you step out of the car for me, please?
This is y'all some backwards ass cops, bro. Why am I being searched
Okay,
again?
turn around.
I don't have nothing on me. I'm at work.
Perfect. I hope you don't, but I'm gonna double check.
This is crazy as bro. It's nothing on me.
Okay, I'm gonna please.
This is real uncomfortable, bruh.
Yeah, it's.
But I'm being searched for no reason. This is crazy.
I'm sure he already explained to you, but if you have anything on you and you go into jail, it's a felony, okay?
He ain't explain none of that to me because he's an asshole cop. Can I ask you a question?
What's up?
Because I can't talk to him. Every time I try to ask him a question, he shuts the fucking door in my face.
Okay, what's up?
When he would ask me to give my property to someone, which is my cell phone that's ringing right here, I said, can you give it to the people at my job? They were there. Mm-hmm. He slammed the door in my face and my phone's right here. Okay. So what the how is he able to do shit like this?
It's just gonna go in your property at the jail.
That's if you were gonna ask me where I want my property when I had my you know, I'm just upset right now.
I got you.
My coworkers there, why couldn't you give them my phone? My book bag is in the truck, all that, so why couldn't you give them my phone?
I don't know.
So why ask and shut the door in my face? But it's okay for him to do that?
To shut the door?
No, come on now. You get what I'm trying. You get what I'm saying.
I mean,
that's
yeah,
your coworker. You try
go with you.
Huh?
Your property usually goes with you.
If I told him to give it to someone else, I say I can get. All I need is 2 phone numbers.
They may have changed their mind, something like that.
So that's okay to be a jackass.
It's probably better that you have it with you.
No, I don't want it because I don't want it in there with me. No, I just need 2 phone numbers and I was good.
It's with you now, so it's gonna stay with you now. But it gets
how when I can't answer my phone.
I mean, it doesn't stay on your person, but it stays in property.
So I can't have a phone call right now.
Not right now. No. When you get there, you can.
So my family don't even know what's going on. That's why they're trying to call me.
Okay.
They don't know where y'all taking me.
Okay.
So nobody can answer the phone, and I tell them where I'm going.
When you go to jail and you get booked in, they'll let you get numbers out of your phone, and then you can make a phone call.
This shit is f***ed up, bro. The way y'all make this shit sound so simple is fucking not, bro. Especially dealing with assholes like him.
It's pretty simple. I mean,
like, come on, man. You're more talking to me and calm and understanding than his ass is. You don't understand that, bro. Because you don't know what happened.
I don't.
I just had a dude his size come running up in my face.
If I'm matching
but since he called the cops, I'm arrested though.
Sit down.
Come on now.
Right, have a seat.
Like, come on,
we can't
man.
change any of that right now. So
it ain't nothing to change. It's just a point.
Put your feet in.
And y'all some fucked up ass people, bro.
Get going. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're resisting. But I'm too.
Step out.
Gladly.
Walking over here.
Oh, now you being gentle? Because you got cameras around you, now you being gentle?
I had a camera
That's what
the whole
that
time.
is? You being gentle now, that's what that is.
여성은 폭력 없는 저항과 무단 침입 혐의로 입건됐으며 혐의가 입증되지 않으면 무죄라고 합니다.